So today we are going to learn how to claim the 1 year Adobe Photoshop free. So we go to Google and type Photoshop Google extension. After that we go to the Adobe Photoshop Google extension and add to Chrome. Now it will add to the Chrome. It will take some time. After adding to the Chrome, we will go to the pin button and pin it. Okay, this way we are going to pin it. Now it's come on our Google extension. Now it asks for start free offer. We click on that. After that we will create our account. For that we have to log in with our Google account. So I'm logging with my Google account. It will ask some details from you. After filling that details, you can use freely Adobe Photoshop for 1 year. So this scheme is valid up till 8th December. So go and acquire it. This is the full tutorial. So thank you for that.